Good morning. Today we are discussing about the clutch. The clutch is the main part of the vehicle. It is able to transmit the engine power to the transmission section. Means it is a mediator in between the engine and transmission. Suppose if there is no clutch, it is not able to transmit the engine power to the transmission section. For this purpose, some unit is used. That unit is nothing but a clutch. For example, look at this picture here. It may shows the principle of clutch. This is the shaft A, and this one is shaft B. The shaft A is coupled with the disc C, and this is the shaft B. It is also coupled with the disc D. Here, the A is connected to the engine side. If the engine is transmit the power to the shaft A, shaft C also rotates with the speed of shaft A because the disc C is connected with the shaft A. B shaft remains in resting condition because there is no connection between the C and D. If you got the disc D comes the closer towards the disc C, the disc C always is connected with the engine, even though it is in the movement. The C able to transmit the power to the D. The gradually the shaft B is able to rotate the speed of A. Suppose the shaft A rotates with the speed of L. The shaft B is also rotates with the speed of L. This is the principle of clutch. Whenever we need not to transmit the power from shaft A to shaft B, just we have to disconnect the disc D with the C. The figure shows A. It is in the disconnect positions. The figure 3.1b shows it is in the connections. Whenever we require, we have to connect here. With the help of the external force W, external forces, we have to come or take the disc D closer towards the disc C. Then only the complete action will be taking place in between the plate C and plate D. It comes closer together. Then it's helpful to transmit the power from one shaft to the another with help of the disc C to disc D. It is the principle of clutch. Here, this is the working principle of single plate clutch. Many types of clutch used in automobiles: single plate clutch, multi-plate clutch, diaphragm clutch, centrifugal clutch, semi-centrifugal clutch, fluid drive like that. Here, this is the single plate clutch. Single plate clutch means the only one clutch plate is used in between the transmission system and engine side and transmission section. The one plate is used. Suppose it is considered as a flywheel, and this is the pressure plate. The spring is used. It keeps the pressure on the pressure plate, and it is locked with the clutch cover, and it rotates. Is the crankshaft, and here then it is connected to the clutch shaft. Here this is the view of the single plate clutch. This is the flywheel piece here and flywheel, and this is the clutch plate. The clutch plate is connected to the clutch shaft with help of the splines. That's why it moves the in and out, the front side and backward movement. The forward and backward movement is to the clutch plate. Then only it connects and disconnects the clutch plate between the flywheel and transmission section. Look at this video.
Flywheel. Number 3. Operating member. The operating member consists of a foot pedal, linkage, release bearing, and return spring to ensure proper operation of the clutch. Operation of single plate friction clutch. When the clutch pedal is pressed to disengage the clutch, suitable link can move the thrust of release bearing forward towards the flywheel to come in contact with the rotating wheel.
Here, this is the clutch release bearing. The clutch release bearing is connected to the clutch shaft. The clutch pedal. Here, the clutch release bearing moves over the clutch shaft or gearbox shaft here. If you give the pressure over the release bearings with the help of the clutch pedal, in this condition, this moves into forward directions, and these are all the clutch levers 1, 2, 3, 4. These clutch levers may pull the pressure plate in the backward direction. That type of arrangement we have seen in the pressure plate and the release lever. These are the release lever. The release lever release lever moves the pressure plate in the backward direction. That's why the clearance may be created in between the clutch plate and flywheel. That's why the flywheel is not able to transmit the power to the rest of the section. That's why the engine may be disconnected from the transmission, or transmission may be disconnected from the engine here. That's why the driver can easily operate the gears, particular gears.
And that leaves bearing displacement towards the flywheel is translated by the leaf lever to high pressure and is called displacement. It opposes the action of pressure spring. This causes the pressure plate to move away from the clutch plate and flywheel. This result allows the flywheel and pressure plate to turn without transmitting power to the clutch plate and clutch shaft. Thus the clutch operation gets disengaged. Reverse is the engaged operation when the clutch pedal is.
This is the operation of the single plate clutch. Only one clutch plate is used in between the flywheel and pressure plate. That's why this is called the single plate clutch. Next thing will be the multi-plate clutch. Multi-plate clutch means the more number of clutch plates are used. Especially this is used in the two-wheeler and also heavy duty vehicle, where the more torque is required to transmit the transmitted to the transmission section. In that places we are using the multi-plate clutch. Another one is the centrifugal clutch and semi-centrifugal clutch. This thing is also used.